Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the app version and your device OS so we know we're troubleshooting the right environment. Once done, backup drafts and ensure two-factor authentication is enabled to avoid lockouts. Next, restart your phone and clear the Twitter app cache. This removes corrupt temporary files. Make sure to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues, and keep the Twitter app closed while you prepare to log back in. You now perform the deeper checks. Force close the app and install the latest update, or reinstall if updates don't apply. This replaces damaged binaries. Then log in on a browser to confirm your account isn't suspended, limited, or awaiting email verification, because server flags often cause client errors. Also inspect app permissions, storage, background data, and network access, since missing permissions can block crucial features. If available, test on a second device to isolate account versus device problems. You finish by resetting network settings or using a VPN to bypass regional or ISP filtering that can trigger errors. This often restores connectivity. If the problem persists, gather logs and exact timestamps, note any error codes, and contact Twitter support with a clear list of steps you already tried so they can escalate efficiently. As a final check, create a temporary test account to see if the issue is account-specific. This isolates whether remediation needs support intervention or local fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.